Hey love! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful ancient beauty secret, rice water. It's super affordable, all natural, and your hair is going to love it. What is rice water? Rice water is the starchy water left after soaking or cooking rice. Women in Asia have used it for centuries for long, healthy, and shiny hair. It's rich in amino acids, vitamins, and antioxidants that nourish your scalp and strengthen your strands. Benefits of rice water. Here's what it can do for your hair. Promotes hair growth, reduces breakage, smooths and detangles, adds shiny, soothes the scalp. How to make rice water. Rinse a half cup of rice to remove dirt. Add the rinsed rice to 2-3 cups of water. Let it soak for 30 minutes or overnight for more nutrients. Optional. Ferment for 1-2 days for extra strength. Just leave it in a jar at room temp. Strain the rice and store the water in a spray bottle or container. Tip. Add a few drops of lavender or rosemary essential oil to enhance the smell. How to use it. Shampoo your hair as usual. Pour or spray rice water onto your scalp and hair. Massage gently and comb through for even distribution. Let it sit for 10-20 minutes. Rinse out with warm water and follow with conditioner if needed. How often to use it? Use rice water once or twice a week depending on your hair type. If your hair starts to feel dry or stiff, reduce usage or dilute the rinse with more water. Have you tried rice water before? Drop a comment below and share your results. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another natural hair care tip.